there'll always be somebody there in the same boat,
as us,
willing to have a chat.
I think it's been very nice to have like a music department where you can have proper music lessons. For example, I think it was Thursday, we were making up our own pieces, which was really fun.
Ollie's doing swimming at the moment at the Leisure Centre, and it's open to community and other schools, which has been, you've quite enjoyed, haven't you, having children from other schools there? They support us if something happens. We've had illnesses at home and, family members not been very well, and the support's been there for not only for the children but for us as well.
I think all the support has been amazing, really.
Really good, helping the children settle in.
Helping us settle in.
Absolutely. The schools recognise that they are interested in different things and pushed them and supported them to excel in those different areas.
I just feel like all three children have been encouraged to become the best version of themselves.